tape. So you just want to take your time, making sure that the tape is pressed down along the whole way. If it's not, and there is a air pocket or something, the paint will go underneath and get onto the trim. So after you've smoothed it out with your finger, you want to take your brush, which for this I will use a 2-inch brush. You want to put on about that much paint. Run it right down onto the tape. You actually want to get some paint on the tape, because then you know for sure you've got right down to the bottom. Then just smooth it out, feather it out on top. Now you don't want to leave this tape on very long. I actually like to take it off right away while the paint is still wet. You don't want to rip it, just nice and easy. There you have a perfectly straight line up to